Hello, dear students. I am Niranjan Jha, a teacher of Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan Darbhanga. This time I am going to teach the students of class 8. This is subject science and this is chapter 4th. The name of this chapter is metals and non-metals. This is 12th video on this chapter. In previous video we have revised what is metal and what are the physical properties of metals and non-metals. In this video, we shall revise the chemical properties of metals. We have read all the topics in details. Now we have started the revision of different topics of this chapter. First, we shall revise the chemical properties of metals. And we have already studied here chemical properties means how metals react with oxygen, water, acids, bases, etc. First, we shall discuss how metals react with oxygen. And we also know all the metals are not equally reactive. Some metals are more reactive and some metals are less reactive. Sodium react with oxygen at room temperature and form sodium oxide and sodium oxide, which is basic in nature. This is the chemical reaction 4Na plus O2 2Na2, and when sodium oxide dissolve in water then this forms sodium hydroxide, which is basic in nature. Always memorize the oxides of metals are basic in nature. Second is the magnesium. Magnesium does not react with oxygen at room temperature. It burn or it react on heating and form magnesium oxide. Sodium react, and here what I have written, magnesium burn on heating. When we shall heat magnesium strongly, then it will burn, then and after burning it will give magnesium oxide. That magnesium oxide is also basic in nature. With cold at room temperature, magnesium react with oxygen at room temperature slowly, and on heating magnesium react with oxygen strongly. This is the chemical reaction 2Mg plus O2 2MgO. This is magnesium oxide, which is basic in nature. I have written here. Zinc burn in air only on strong heating. Here what we see, the tendency of reacting with oxygen is decreasing. Sodium react at room temperature, magnesium react on heating, and zinc burn only on strong heating. Zinc also react with oxygen but on strong heating. Zn 2Zn plus O2, Zn means here zinc, 2Zn plus O2 2ZnO. Then iron. Iron is also metal. It does not burn in air even on strong heating. Iron react with oxygen of air on heating and form iron oxide. Iron, it does not burn. Here take care. One thing must be clear. Two words are being always used. One word is burn and other word is react. Magnesium burn, but zinc burn, but here iron does not burn, it react, it only react with oxygen. 3Fe plus 2O2, Fe3O4, this is iron plus oxygen, iron 2,3 oxide, this is iron oxide. In later on we shall discuss why this is written as iron 2,3 oxide. Copper metal does not burn in air even on heating strongly. It reacts with oxygen on prolonged heating. If heating of copper will be done for longer time, then only it can react with oxygen, and then in that case what will be the chemical reaction? 2Cu plus O2 2Co, copper 2 oxide. On what we have seen, on the basis of this reactivity, metals can be arranged. Sodium is more reactive because sodium reacts with oxygen at room temperature. Then magnesium is less reactive. In comparison of sodium, magnesium react with oxygen but only after heating. Zn react with oxygen on strong heating. Iron does not react, and copper also is very slow, has slow reaction with oxygen. So these metals has arranged according to reactivity with oxygen. Here now we shall discuss reaction of metals with water. Sodium react with vigorously with water, cold water, and form sodium hydroxide. And we have already studied sodium is more reactive metal. It react with oxygen at room temperature and it react even with cold water. Sodium plus water, sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is evolved. Always what happens when sodium metal react with oxygen, metal react with water, then metal form hydroxide and this hydrogen gas is evolved. Magnesium reacts slowly with cold water but react rapidly with hot water. Here hot water means boiling water or steam. Again what we see, reactivity is decreasing. Sodium react with cold water, magnesium does not react with cold water and it react only with hot water, hot boiling water or with steam, and it also form magnesium oxide and water. Mg plus H2O, MgO plus H2. This hydrogen gas evolved and goes out. Zinc react rapidly only with steam and form zinc oxide and hydrogen. Zinc react but not with cold water or hot water. Zinc react with steam only. Zn plus H2O, ZnO plus H2, zinc oxide and hydrogen. In case of iron, what happens? Red hot iron. Here red hot iron means iron should be so hot that it will be red. Then it will combine with steam. Here Fe, iron means red hot iron, and here H2O means steam. This is not water boiling or cold, it is steam. 3Fe plus 4H2O, Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Here also hydrogen gas will evolve. Always when metal react with water, then hydrogen gas will be released. Copper does not react even with steam. Thus what we see from sodium, reactivity with water is again decreasing. Sodium is more reactive. Considering reaction with water, here what I have written, sodium most reactive, then magnesium, then zinc, then iron, and then least reactive is copper. Now reaction of metal with dilute acid. Actually metal react with dilute hydrochloric acid and dilute sulfuric acid. Reaction is of the same type. In case of hydrochloric acid, metal form metal chloride and hydrogen gas is evolved, and in case of sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, metal form sulfate and hydrogen gas is evolved. Here respective chloride and respective sulfates will be formed. Reaction is of the same type. I have written metal plus dilute hydrochloric acid, metal chloride plus hydrogen, and here metal plus dilute sulfuric acid, metal sulfate plus hydrogen. Sodium react. Now we shall discuss one by one. This is the common reaction, how metal react with dilute acid. Sodium react with violently with dilute hydrochloric acid and form sodium chloride and hydrogen. This is the chemical reaction. 2Na plus 2HCl is this form. This is the 2NaCl plus H2. This is the reactant, sodium plus HCl hydrochloric acid dilute, I have written here. Then sodium chloride plus H2. This is the sodium chloride, common salt which we eat daily. There are different types of salt, but that what normally what we say salt which we use in the house, we eat daily, that is the common salt, also known as common salt, and chemical formula of that common salt is NaCl. Magnesium react quite rapidly with dilute hydrochloric acid, forming magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Magnesium react quite rapidly. Mg plus 2HCl, MgCl2, magnesium chloride. Here what I have written, metal chloride, sodium will form sodium chloride, metal magnesium will form magnesium chloride, zinc will form zinc chloride, respective chlorides. Metal will change their respective chlorides. Magnesium react quite rapidly with dilute hydrochloric acid, forming magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Mg plus 2HCl, MgCl2 plus H2. This is Mg, magnesium, symbol of magnesium is Mg, hydrochloric acid HCl dilute, and MgCl2. MgCl2 is magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas H2. Then zinc react with dilute hydrochloric acid less rapidly. Here I have written magnesium react quite rapidly and zinc react less rapidly, and it forms zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Zn plus 2HCl, Zn means zinc, here zinc, 2HCl hydrochloric acid dilute. This is the product ZnCl2 zinc chloride plus H2. Now copper does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid. That even what I have seen, some metals react vigorously and some metals react slowly, but copper does not react. So what we can decide, copper is the least reactive metal. Among all these metals, copper is the least reactive metal. Copper does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid. I have written chemical reaction. Copper does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid or dilute sulfuric acid. Cu plus HCl oblique H2SO4, both are dilute. Right here, both are DIL means dilute. In short, we write DIL, and DIL means dilute. This means dilute. And dilute means that is not pure, water has mixed, no reaction. According to this chemical reaction, reactivity with acids, dilute acid, what we have seen, sodium is most reactive, then magnesium less reactive, zinc less reactive, iron, and the least reactive is copper. If metals will be these metals will be arranged according to their reactivity with dilute acid, then this will be their series. And dilute, if water is mixed with acid, then that is known as dilute acid, and if water is not mixed with acid, then that is known as concentrated acid. In short, it is written as CONC. Conc means concentrated and DIL means dilute. Memorize it. In the next video, we shall revise the displacement reactant, reactivity series, and some usage of metals and non-metals. Thanks.